Hi everybody, good evening. I'm doing Bugforge Ottergram. Today the hint is dev didn't trust admin. So I don't know, without a hint, to be honest, I don't think how you can solve it without a hint. Now remember this room. If you remember, the admin is admin 123. So if you do admin 123, you log in, you can see you have when checking admin access, and the analytic doesn't work. If you go to your network, let me go only that one. You can see when it called analytic, it said, even for admin, it said access denied. Strangely enough, that's the analytic endpoint that called the API. Direct access to it, it said you access token required, so you need to send token. So you need to use curl or something. I don't know if Firefox doesn't send that, but let's log out from this and create a normal user for now. If I create the usual normal user, uh, 123. Interesting part is the endpoint for edit. If I want to edit a profile, for example, I say test and save. The question is, can I change my profile if I do edit? And there is a mass assignment here. I can, because remember the storage. If you go to your local storage, you can tell you a role is equal user. So the question, can we change the role? So I can just come here and say, can I become admin? So I can do role admin for this case and test mass assignment if ID is at profile successfully. Now if I refresh, can it become admin if I refresh the page? And of course I go back to my local storage, can see that we can see we're looking for admin and become admin. Now become admin, you can see we have that admin and it's a checking admin. You can see this one, same things. The network doesn't give us access denied for analytic endpoint. You can see it said access denied, so it's not getting me the endpoint I'm looking for. You get post requests, you get all of this, so I'm admin in all of them, but you can see I can change that. The interesting part is the hint that said devs didn't trust admins, so they removed them. So remove them from where? From the role. Because remember, if you go to your storage and you go to your the token, this one doesn't have role. If you decode this token, it doesn't have role. It's just ID, and admin doesn't have a rule on it. uh, so what we can do is what can we do? So in order to change the question, can the role, our rule now is said role is admin. Can we change it to dev? Remember the hint, a hint talk about devs, so it means there is a rule called dev. So we can go back to our remember when we update our profile, let's update again and say if I edit a profile, uh, uh, now I want to update the profile from there to a role. That's assumption there is a dev role, so we can change it to dev role. If I click there, it's an update request, but if I refresh now, the dev will die because dev is not like admin. But if I go to my analytic endpoint, remember this analytic said if I edit now, resend it. If I use with my new role, and it worked, and we got our flag for today. So the argument is you don't access to it here for some reason. I don't know why, but from if you use curl or something, so you can view it here. So before we couldn't, but it means it doesn't check here. This doesn't have a role on it, so we need to change it. So after we change the role, so you can see now our role is dev, and because we are dev, we can talk to the endpoint, and of course we can get our flag for today. Thank you everybody, and have a good day.